Today we're drawing Summer Kuromi with grapes. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's start with the face shape. Draw the top line first, making a soft little point in the middle. Next, curve one side down. Then draw the other side to match it. Now add a gentle curve along the bottom, but leave a small open gap. Now let's draw the first eye. Start with a short curve at the top, then bring it down into a soft, rounded eye shape. Fill in the eye, but leave a tiny highlight so it looks nice and shiny. Now draw the second eye the same way, starting with the top curve first. Round out the bottom of the eye. Then fill it in and leave a tiny highlight. Add a tiny oval nose in the middle. Then draw a cute little smile underneath. Finish it with a tiny tongue inside the mouth. Now let's draw the top of the head. Start from one side of the face and curve the line up and around toward the middle. Keep the curve nice and smooth so the head looks big, round, and cute. Next, draw the other side. This side is a little shorter, so leave a small opening for the grape bunch we'll add next. Now let's add the grape bunch on the side of the head. Start with one small round grape near the top. Add another grape right beside it. Then add a few more underneath so the bunch hangs down naturally. Keep each grape simple and let them touch a little so the bunch looks nice and full. Then keep building the top part of the bunch with a few more round shapes. Just repeat the same rounded shape until the grape bunch looks complete. At the top, draw a cute little curly vine with a few loops. Then finish it off with a simple leaf behind the grapes. Now let's draw the first ear. Start with a short line going straight up from the head. From there, draw a long slanted line going up toward the right. Go back near the head. Pull a short line outward, then draw another line rising up to form the ear shape. Stop just before the lines meet, then add a small round ball at the top. Now draw the other ear. Start with two short lines coming up from the head. Next, draw two long lines going upward, leaning slightly toward each other. Just like before, leave a tiny gap near the top and finish with a small round ball. Great job! Those tall ears really give Kuromi her fun signature look. Now let's add the little skull on the forehead. Start with the small jaw first. Then draw the round head shape above it. Add 2 tiny dark eyes. And 2 little teeth at the bottom. Now let's add the little hood points under the face. Start with a short line under the cheek, then add a small round ball at the end. Draw a zigzag point across the bottom, like a tiny jester hood. Add the next small round ball. Then pull the last point out to the side. Now let's draw the top under the head. Start with 2 thin straps, 1 on each side. Keep the straps short and simple, tucked neatly under the face. Next, draw one side of the top, bringing it down into a little frilly edge. Bring the bottom line across with a wavy curve so the top looks soft and cute. Now add the other side of the top, keeping both sides balanced. In the middle, draw a tiny bow. Start with the center knot, then add the 2 little loops. Add the 2 ribbon tails underneath, keeping them neat and simple. Finish the top with a short horizontal line inside the upper part. Under the top, add 2 short lines on the sides to make the body. Then connect them with a smooth horizontal curve. Now let's start the skirt. First, draw another rounded line parallel to the body to make the waistband. Next, add the first row of grapes, drawing them one by one from left to right. Keep each grape nice and round, and let them sit close together. Then do the same underneath, adding the next row so the skirt looks fuller. Just keep repeating those simple round shapes and the pattern will come together beautifully. Now let's add the little hand touching the cheek. Draw the finger line pointing toward the cheek. Then add the soft rounded hand shape. Then bring the arm down and connect it neatly to the outfit. Now add the other arm on the side. Draw a short curved line going down beside the body. Curve it back in to make a cute little hand resting on the hip. Keep this part simple and tucked neatly behind the outfit. Now draw the tail with 2 curved lines sweeping up from behind the skirt. Keep the tail thin and gently curved. Finish it with a little triangle arrow tip at the end. Now let's draw the legs. Start under the grape skirt and pull 2 short lines down for the first leg. Round out the bottom to make a cute little foot. Add the sandal shape with a curved sole. And a simple strap across the foot. Draw a few tiny toe lines inside the sandal. Keep them small and rounded. Now move to the other side and draw the second leg coming down from under the skirt. Keep this leg short and slightly rounded, just like the first one. Add the second sandal with a curved sole and a strap across the front. Finish with the little toe lines and keep both feet looking balanced. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!